If you have forgotten your OneAdvanced password, follow this process to reset it. You will need to go to education.oneadvanced.com. Once there, type your email address as if you're logging in and click Continue. On the login page, click on Reset Password. This is where you input your email again so that a reset password link can be sent to you. Click Send. Go to your email inbox, where you will see an email from OneAdvanced Identity with the subject title, Request to change your account password. Open the email and click on Reset Password. You will be asked to put in an authentication code. This will either be emailed to you or you will use your Authenticator app. The method of authentication will depend on which means of authentication you set up when you signed up to OneAdvanced. Enter in your verification code and click Submit. Now, type in your new password. This needs to be 14 characters long. Then, type in your new password again to confirm the change and click Save. Be aware that you will not be able to use a password that you have used before. If you do, the change will fail and OneAdvanced will ask you for another password. If you are asked about EasyPass, you can skip this step. You will get a confirmation that your account has been updated